What if the biggest obstacle standing between you and a fulfilled life isn't time, money, or opportunity, but clarity? Like a ship without a lighthouse, many of us navigate life's storms without proper guidance. Today, I'm sharing with you an opportunity for a transformation, a life clarity breakthrough retreat in Dublin that transforms your confusion into purpose in just a day. If you've cycled through meditation apps and self help books only to find yourself back where you started, this immersive experience offers something different. With only 20 seats available, this personalized retreat provides the focused attention and structured framework that most conventional self-improvement methods simply cannot deliver for you. Hello, my name is Jerry Silversealan, and I'm the founder of Logical Retreat, a distilled lifestyle brand based in Ireland. Founded in 2022, I've created and fine-tuned a life framework and a system called the one-page Life Clarity System, and it has multiple positive reviews on Trustpilot till date. And I've authored a book on this topic as well. Let's talk about the clarity crisis. Why do we feel stuck and overwhelmed? What if I told you that your feeling of being stuck isn't a personal failure, but a symptom of a modern lifestyle? Our society has normalized a state of constant busyness, celebrating those who juggle overwhelming responsibilities while simultaneously offering no genuine tools for finding clarity within the chaos. You wake up, check your mails, rush through your day, collapse into bed, and repeat, with precious little time to question if this path truly serves you at all. The costs of living without clarity extend far beyond feeling just tired. Your relationships gradually lose their depth as meaningful conversations are replaced with hurried exchanges. Your career advancement stalls because you lack the mental space to envision your next move. Your health deteriorates as stress becomes your constant companion. These interconnected symptoms form what I call a clarity crisis. Take Alex, who spent 10 years pursuing a prestigious career path only to realize at 37 that the accomplishments bringing external validation left him feeling empty inside. His daily routine, waking at 5 a.m., commuting 2 hours, attending back-to-back meetings, returning home exhausted, exemplifies autopilot living. When people finally pause long enough to assess their life direction, many discover they've been building someone else's dream, following paths prescribed by parents, society, or even their younger selves who had different values. This realization often hits hard. I've spent years climbing a ladder leaned against the wrong wall. That is usually the thought which comes to many people's mind. Our culture of comparison compounds this problem. You see someone's success on social media and you adopt their goals as your very own, forgetting to question if these achievements would bring you genuine fulfillment at all. Your brain literally lacks the capacity to make wise choices when overloaded with competing priorities. This is a neurological reality, not a character flaw. Imagine what becomes possible when you create space for reflection. The transformation surprises those who experience it. When you pause for a day to examine your life path, you discover that what you thought was the problem, time management, motivation, was actually a symptom of a deeper clarity issue within you. The question isn't whether you need clarity, it's whether you're ready to create the space to find it. The Life Clarity Breakthrough, a framework for transformation. Why do most attempts at personal transformation fail within weeks, while others create lasting change that ripples through every area of life? The difference lies in whether you're collecting information or experiencing transformation. This is why the Life Clarity Breakthrough Retreat exists. It's a structured framework designed to cut through your confusion and create lasting change. Consider the distinction between information and transformation, like clearing fog from a window. Transformation doesn't add knowledge, but reveals what was already there. We live in an age where information surrounds us: books, YouTube podcasts, videos, all offering advice. Yet, transformation requires a specific environment that enables you to integrate wisdom into your life. This retreat provides this essential space for you. In this retreat, I'll be sharing a 3-step formula for upgrading your personal identity in its most authentic form. First, you'll recognize the critical difference between roles and identity, understanding that being a CFO is what you do, not who you are. Second, you'll identify authentic values through exercises like peak experience mapping that bypass conscious filters. We're going to do forward and backward mapping to see where you are at your life. Finally, we'll create alignment between your daily choices and those clarified values. The retreat creates an environment where you can examine your self-awakening events, those moments where you realized your career success felt hollow despite external validation. These events contain the seeds of your purpose. Our forward mapping helps you envision specifics of your ideal future. Where will you live? What relationships will matter most for you? While backward mapping connects that vision to reality through practical steps, eliminating direction doubt. The intimate group of 20 participants creates both the vulnerability to share authentically and the accountability to follow through on commitments. The clarity I gained changed everything from how I parent to how I lead my team, shares a past client. Our outcomes are consistent. Clarity on self-identity, renewed understanding of your priorities, and identification of necessary life changes to your life trajectory. The retreat doesn't give you answers. It gives you clarity to find your own answers, because wisdom that emerges from within creates change that actually lasts. In conclusion, clarity stands as the foundation upon which all personal growth rests. Without it, your efforts scatter like seeds on concrete. I see this truth reflected in participants who arrive confused and leave transformed after just a day of focused reflection. One of these 20 seats at the Dublin retreat in August could become your transformation catalyst. The space we create together unlocks wisdom no book or video can provide for you, including our signature Clarity Compass exercise that participants consistently call life-changing. Are you ready to claim your seat? Your future relationships and decisions deserve this clarity in your life. Ignite the transformation waiting for you by prioritizing yourself today. I'll see you soon. Bye.